I'm recording now. Look at you. You're a stud on my camera.
Good, you finally put it on gear.
It's awesome.
Camera.
Good bodies. Hey guys, say hi to the camera when you're gonna die.
Second. Shot the balls down.
Oh God!
There.
Oh God!
Airborne, don't.
Oh, why? Why? No, get Uncle Adam. Tear him up.
That's the only place we were going for.
Is that fully winded?
All right, let's do it.
All right, where are we going? You got a plan or what?
Okay, I'm gonna take the far right,
Okay.
and then if I get hit too hard on the far right, I'm gonna climb up the sniper nest. Our goal is, hey! Capture the flag! Capture the flag!
3, 2, 1.
Push it past you, push it past you.
You gonna play?
Hey, quit. I'm gonna climb up at the sniper nest, alright? Cover that area for me, alright?
You got it.
Hey, Kevin, give me some cover, brother.
Okay, buddy. Hold on a second. Wait till your dad gets in there. Tell me when you're in.
I'm in.
Reloading!
Alright, good to go. I can't see Adam yet.
He's down on the low.
Adam, sit.
Where's Mike?
Push up, push up. Reloading.
Reloading!
I'm reloading.
I'm gonna lay cover fire. fire, go get it, okay? Reloading!
Where's he at? Where's he at? Oh, I got him. I got him. Huh?
I know it's like
I don't see shit, man. I took it out at him. He was trying to get the flag. Let's get the flag, dude. Push up, push up. I don't see. Hey, I got the right side, all right? I'm hit.
you give. Are you out?
I'm out.
Kevin. All right, say it, bro. Don't get me pissed off. I don't care.
Hey, shut your mouth, whore.
Want some more?
No. It hurts so bad. You shot me in my face. Yeah, you did. Like an asshole.
Left leg secure. Push right. Push right.
Oh, we got the flag. Woo! Woo! Woo!
Dad, I can't get the flag. You only put it too high, so I can't get it.
It's all right. You could do cover fire.
No, but I want to get the flag, and then I can't.
Damn, you in or out?
We're out. Hey, game over. Yeah.
Dad.
Game! Fuck yeah.
Dad, could you move it so it could be done?
Like on that side so you can pull it down?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But then it was up there, so I couldn't get it.
So it was in the middle and you can pull it down?
Crap.
I finally got shot in the face. Yeah, the last minute I was like, ah.
Can you get shot anywhere?
He's like that.
I'll got him.
What?
Why not?
Oh, this is a nice little bump here.
Hey, hey, you know, you take a bump here and there. You know, like if you have a stingray and it gets you in the heart, like you might die. Like, but it's okay. Just
Have a cross the penis to be alright.
it'll be all right. It'll buff out. She'll buff out. Right, mate? Whew. Ow, owie.
I learned this down south. Come here, baby.
Oh yeah, I'll take it. I'll take it. I'm not even worried. Like I'm good. Like, come on, guys, let's do this.
I forgot he was down south too.
I was like,
Southern.
come on, guys. Like, I'm totally cool with this.
It's not fuck boy, it's go.
Where's the? Hey, grab the Marine Corps flag.
What? I was never Marine Corps.
Yeah.
Dad, can you play another match?
Yes, we gotta reload. I gotta reload some of my mags. I went through 3
I started
mags.
with no ammo. I went pop, 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 pop. Oh, I went.
You got a couple more mags with you? I got like 6 or 7 more mags in there, man.
Oh shit! See.
Dad, how do you get it? Like, how do you get it out? Upside down. So,
Look.
that's the other two. I'm
So the bottom Like I got the
It's D-ring.
the bottom's a carabiner. So we got this,
See?
and we attach to the bottom, and then the top is that one. So
yeah, when you let go of it, and then you
so look,
it'll fall down, and then
watch. So what I
So,
do is
one click away from taking it off.
you run it up, and then you run it on this screw right there.
Yep.
Or that nail right there.
okay, now what if you're playing and you want to get down? How do you get down?
You
Take it
grab
off.
it like this, and then you run it down the other way. So you just,
Oh, and then you have to unhook it.
yeah, you just run it down and unhook it.
Then run back.
But from here you can pull it to you
Yeah.
because it's loose. So you
Yeah,
come in
see,
like
it's
this.
a pulley up there.
See how it comes in?
Oh yeah.
So you pull it down, like
look,
kind of like a flagpole. And then you attach that, and then you keep rolling it up,
There's one circle and you just do that.
and you pull that out from that
Each
one,
one's like
and
that.
then you pull it down to the next level.
Yep.
Here, hold this.
Each
It's
one's
unsafe.
like that.
So
I need a goddamn beer.
I do too.
Fucking airborne, I got you.
Can I carry it?
Yeah.
Who needs a bear?
You want to carry it a little bit higher. So like when you do it, you want to kind of like, so you want to put the buttstock kind of up here, tuck your elbow in a little bit, and keep your finger straight enough trigger. So you always want it like that, but that's how you want to carry it. It's got to be up, because like when you have it up like this, what you do is like if you take contact, so from there, if you're taking contact, like go to shoot. And so like, see how quick it is to like pull your weapon up?
Yeah.
Like, so when I'm like this, I could go like that and bring my weapon up and shoot.